Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a brow video for you, if you can't already tell. I have nothing in my brows right now. And this new product is from Maybelline. You can find this at the drugstore. And I really wanted to do a full video on this. I received it in the mail and I knew for sure I wanted to do a review on this product because this is supposed to be a 48-hour wear brow product. Brow tattoo, that's why it's called the TattooStudio by Maybelline. This is supposed to be a very long wearing product. It's waterproof, transfer proof. As I said, it lasts up to 48 hours. And I've already been trying it out to review. It lasted through a shower for me. Mind you, this does not last through washing my face if you were to use an oil. It states that specifically to avoid oils in that area because that does remove the product. But water itself does not remove this product. So I wanted to show you a little demo of this applying to my brow. This is what the product looks like. And I use the shade Deep Brown. I believe they have 3 more shades. And you can apply it straight from the tube like this, and it will give you a very defined Instagram type brow, I would say. It's very defined, very dark, and since I have the deepest color, I don't like to do that to my brows just because it looks too stark on my face, I find. I would rather my brows look like nothing as opposed to a very filled in brow. So I do have to use a brush with this, which is a negative for me because if you have to use something in addition to the product, then that kind of takes away from it as well. And it also has this spoolie which comes detached from the product, and I feel like if they were going to do that with this, I felt like maybe they should have applied a little brow brush on the end of the spoolie as well, and I think that would have been more ideal. But those are my only 2 complaints of this product. Otherwise, I love the formula, but I do feel like the packaging applicator could have been improved. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. We're going to fill in these brows. I'm just going to brush through my brows with the spoolie, get them in position. I like to brush them up. Just a standard spoolie. You can buy things like this at Sally's. I used to stock these in my freelance kit, but since I don't use this to apply it, I do use my own eyebrow brush. It's pretty much just like a pomade or anything you buy because you do have to use your own, or I have to use my own brush. You might not have to. I'd play around with it first like I did to see if you actually like it from the brush because you can definitely get that to work, but it's just not for me after trying it out. So we're going to apply this to the brow with the applicator and this. It's recommended you start in the middle and work your way out, and then you can kind of feather it in just to get the effect of less product at the front. So you need very little with this. This reminds me very much of my Makeup Forever Aqua Brow. If you guys have been with me that long, it reminds me a lot of that, and I used to use that all the time. This is kind of like your drugstore version of it, but I do believe this has an even longer wear. And this is my bad brow. It's a little bit harder to fill in, so I always like starting with it first. Do you have a bad eyebrow? I want to know which side it's on. So once you put the product in the brow, you can just go ahead and use that spoolie and just comb through the product. Make sure it's evenly distributed. And when you wait a couple minutes, it's going to be set. You'll see when you rub through your brow that it's not going to move anywhere. And I have used this in the shower and avoided that area, and it doesn't come off. So it definitely lasts through water. So that is the first eyebrow compared to no product. I love the way it looks. You can make this look really natural. However, you can use it straight from the thing, but it just doesn't look as natural. I just like to use a lot less product than just using that applicator. So now we're gonna do my good brow. Those are both my brows completed. And I'm just going to wait a little bit for this brow to set because I just finished it up. But it does last through water. And you could most definitely get this to last you 2 days. But for me personally, it's good for just a really long lasting 1 day because I do really like to use facial oils at night to remove my makeup. And it's really hard to kind of avoid that area on my face. So it lasts absolutely 100% all day till you remove this. You could go swimming with it. It's going to last through that. It lasts through a shower as long as you don't put oils there, as I said. So for me, this is an amazing one day only thing that is all I need. So now I'm just going to take my finger, rub it through my brow. You can see me moving my hairs along and it's going to stay in place. I just have to comb my hair back so they don't look too crazy. But again, you can rub this and it's not going to come off on your finger. Focus. So this is a great little eyebrow product. I 100% recommend it. If you liked Makeup Forever Aqua Brow like I really did, then you're going to love this product if you can find your shade, because there are only 4, so hopefully one of them matches you guys. But that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you a little demo of it, insert some pictures of how it wears, and my overall thoughts and opinions after using this for a little bit on how it works and how it holds up for that 48 hours if I think it does and all that. So I hope this helped you out decide if you want to pick this up. And as I said, if you use that Makeup Forever Aqua Brow, you're going to absolutely love this product because it's quite similar. You get a good amount of product in here too. It's 6.8 milliliters or 0.23 fluid ounces. So there's a good amount of product. Really love the formula, very long lasting, and you can still get a natural brow with it, which is what I love with something that says tattoo. That kind of scares me for my eyebrows. So I like that you can still get a fairly natural looking brow with it. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.